everyone, today we are going to look at a flow based puzzle. So in this particular puzzle there is multiple data to match, as high as like 3 parameters to match. So we will understand how to approach such a puzzle, such a flow based puzzle with multiple data. So let's have a look at the question. So here is the question. There are 8 friends A, B, C, D, E, G, H and J living on 8 different floors. And we know whenever we have a floor based question, the lowermost floor is taken as or as numbered as 1 and the topmost is numbered as 8. The date of birth of each of the persons falls in 8 different months: March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, but again not in the same order. And each person likes a different type of fruit, which is guava, apple, grapes, mango, banana, pineapple, lychee, orange, again not in the order. So let's first, as we know, the basic thing to start off with a floor based puzzle is to have a vertical floor array placement. Floor number 1 would come at bottom, and we have seen we have 3 parameters to match here: the name of the person, the birth month, and the fruit liked by that particular person. So there is some little space here, so I'll just write little smaller. Okay, so the one whose date of birth is in August does not live on an odd numbered floor, does not like apple or lychee. So let me write it here. So someone whose birthday is in August is not on floor number 1, not on floor number 3, not floor 5, not floor 7, and does not like apple as well as lychee. J lives just below the one whose date of birth is in October. So somebody whose birthday is in October, J is just below that person. The one who lives on 3rd floor likes guava. So this is the definite information. This I can place on the arrangement. The one whose birthday is in April lives on an even numbered floor but not on topmost floor. So the one whose birthday is in April is on either floor 2, 4 or 6 but not on floor 8. Likes either orange or pineapple. Only one person lives between G and the one whose date of birth is in July. So let me note it like this, telling me that there's a gap of 1 floor between these two persons. E likes lychee. C's date of birth is not on July or October. A does not like mangoes or grapes. So A does not like grapes or mangoes. There's a lot of negative information in this, or negative data in this particular question. The one whose date of birth is in June, lives on an even numbered floor and lives just above the person whose date of birth is in October. Okay, so this can be combined with this particular data. So we have someone whose birthday is in June. Below him, just below him, we have someone whose birthday is in October, and then we have J. Also, the one who likes banana lives immediately above the floor in which J lives, leading me that जिस person का birthday October में है, the same person likes banana. So now we have 3 consecutive floor kind of arranged here. Let's see what data has been given further. The person who likes mango, apple, orange and grapes live on an even numbered floor. Okay, so floor 2, 4, 6, 8 पे apple, mango, orange और grapes ही allot किए जा सकते हैं. Let's understand it this way. The one who likes grapes lives below the one who likes mango. We'll see where it can be used further. Only 2 persons live between the one whose date of birth is in August and the one whose date of birth is in March. Okay, so अगस्त एंड मार्च में 2 लोगों का फर्क है. Either the person whose birthday is in August, he is above March, or the vice versa. The person whose birthday is in March, he's above the one whose birthday is in August. D's date of birth is not in September, so with D I have a negation. With D I cannot take September. A lives just above G. Okay, so A lives just above G. That is something I have. Neither E nor C lives on the first floor. So for first floor, I have a negation as to that I cannot place E here, I cannot place C here. Only two persons live between G and the one whose date of birth is in April. So with G, there's one more data. I already know that G से एक फ्लोर के गैप पे जुलाई वाला पर्सन है, and now I also know G से दो फ्लोर के गैप पे अप्रैल वाला पर्सन है. Okay. Only one person lives between C and the one whose date of birth is in May. So, and only two persons live between E and A. So we also have this. And B lives on an even numbered floor just above C. They're on two consecutive floors. And C, one floor gap with May. And the one whose date of birth is in July does not live on floor number 1. Okay, so there's so much data here. Let's see how can we place now. Now let's start with the placement of the person whose birthday is in June. Now that person can be placed on either floor number 8 or floor number 6. Why? Because if I place this person, the one whose birthday is in June, if I place that same person on floor number 4, Gawa and Banana would clash. Okay, because it's been given to us. The one whose date of birth is in June lives on an even numbered floor. So for June, I can only have 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 cannot happen because June के नीचे में October चाहिए, October के नीचे J चाहिए. Floor number 2 नहीं हो सकता. Floor number 4 भी नहीं हो सकता. Because again, if I give June to floor number 4, floor number 3 पे is the person who likes Gawa, and right below June I have someone who likes banana. So either June could be given to floor 8 or floor 6. I'm starting this question with placing June on the floor number 8. Okay, let's see if this possibility gives us the result or not. So June, October, banana, and floor number 6 पे the person would be J. So we have used this data, this sequence. Now we have most of the information that we have is with A, G, and G के context में दो information है कि G से एक floor नीचे जुलाई है and G से दो floor नीचे अप्रैल है, and then A के भी दो floor नीचे E है, and we need two consecutive floors for A and G. Let's see where they can be placed. Okay, let's place A and G at 8 and 7. That will lead me to that on floor number 5, we should have the person whose birthday is in July. On floor number 4, we should have person whose birthday is in April. And that means on floor number 5, I would have E. So I have now used this data. I've used this data as well. All of this data has been used so far. E likes lychee. That has been given as a definite information. A does not like grapes or mangoes. So fruit में I have a negation with A. Grape और mango नहीं पसंद है. Now we'll place B and C. B lives on an even numbered floor just above C, so leaving only two possibility. या तो B floor number 4 पे हो या floor number 2 पे हो, but floor number 2 पे हम इसलिए place नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि floor number 1 पे C नहीं आ सकता. So we'll place B on floor number 4, C here, and we know the one whose birthday is in May is one floor below C. So this would go to this person. The person who's on floor number 1 would have birthday in May. Now there's another data that has been given here, that August and March, the persons whose birthday is in August or March, there's a gap of 2 floors. August cannot come on floor 1, 3, 5, 7. So leaving us only one possibility, that August can come on floor number 6. March could come on floor number 3. Only 1 month is left for floor number 2, that is September. We had one more data. D does not have date of birth in September. So that means D would go to floor 1, H goes to floor 2. Now we have to match the fruits for the remaining floor. Now someone whose birthday is in August does not like apple. Lychee has already been allotted. And there was one more data here, that the one who likes grapes lives below the one who likes mango. And floor 8642, the fruit should be apple, mango, orange and grapes. Orange could go with floor number 4 because it's been given someone whose birthday is in April can like orange or pineapple. And floor 4 एक even floor भी है, and orange यहाँ पे उसकी choice हो सकता है. Grapes should come below mango, and apple is not liked by August, so apple could go to floor 8. Grapes should have to come below mango, so mango could go to August. Grapes can come to floor number 2, leading us that floor number 1, the person on floor number 1 likes pineapple. So this puzzle had a lot of data, and we had to, and if I see here, I think if I look at this solution, everything matches up. And I had only 2 ways to start it. I placed June on floor number 8 or floor number 6. I started off with placing June on floor number 8, and that worked. Like all of the data fell into the place. You can as well try by placing June on floor number 6. I'm sure that will contradict with some or the other condition that has been mentioned in the question. So this is a final solution. So floor number 8, A is there, the person names is A, date of birth month is June, fruits apple. Floor 7, G, October banana. Floor 6, J, August mango. 5 is E, July lychee. 4 is B, April orange. 3 is C, March guava. Second is floor number 2 is H, September grapes. And floor number 1 is D, with date like birthday month to be May, and fruit as pineapple. Hope the solution is clear. This was a bit lengthy, but I need to write the data or write the negation in a shorter form outside my arrangement, and then we have to look how the data can be mashed up or placed in a arrangement. And we would have to work on some possibilities. These kind of puzzles probably कहीं ना कहीं एक possibility arise होगी, उस possibility को pursue करके देखना पड़ेगा कि हाँ, is it leading us to a right solution. So hope solution to this particular puzzle is clear to you now. Thank you. Bye bye.